Hey tubers, I got this snowblower in and it wasn't running. Well, if you have never seen a gummed up carburetor, check this out. I mean, I can already tell you the problem. The main jet's clogged right here. Real bad, sorry. Not the best quality, but let's see if we can get it going. I already tried to start it, it wouldn't work, so alright, well, we'll see what we can do. I'll shoot a video if I get it going. Alright, tubers, so let's see if this thing's gonna run. It's got some fresh gas in it. I have not started it yet. Get it all primed up. Make sure that primer's working. Does not feel like the primer's working. There's gas. I'll have to check to see if the primer line's on. Doesn't feel like it's working. Let's see. So I obviously got it back together and it's running, tubers, so just a little bit of carburetor cleaner. That thing's up and running, so thanks for watching, tubers.